This video belongs to relaxingend channel, so all credit goes to him. So guys, we have a Plague Tale Requiem press kit. Oh boy, this chest looks pretty dope. Wooden and metal chest, just like in the game. Let's open it, and see what's inside. Wow, there is so many things here. A medieval cutlery set. Diary ink and bird feather set. A carry pouch. Let's see what's inside. Glass jars? Something writing on it. Stupefaccio, ignifer, odoris. Whoa, now this is something cool. A cool decorative crossbow. But is that working? Wow, it's working. Now we are ready to fight with some zombies. A music box. I'll never seen music box like this before. Let's see how it is works. Never had a music box like this. It's awesome. Like the video, if you like this tune. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Finally, our custom Xbox Series X is here. First, let's see our controller. Look, all this 3D textures and unique design, looks so amazing. Fully functional and ready to play. Designed by Vadu Amka. Now let's unwrap our console. Only 2 of this consoles exist worldwide. Designed by Vadu Amka. Amazing Xbox Series X. Comment, what do you think? I am really excited to this particular thing. So guys, I represent to you a Plague Tale Requiem limited edition statue. A Plague Tale Innocence limited edition statue, 2019. Innocence or Requiem? Which one do you like? Comment. Thanks for watching.